Good morning. About to start day 4 of the workshop. We're halfway done technically. Here in North Carolina, building wind turbines. Yesterday we talked about magnets, Faraday's law, a little about alternators, and we got a lot done. This is sort of the coil winding station. They got all the coils wound and clipped and stripped and connected for the stator for the smaller 10-foot machine, and the mold is finished, so that's ready to go. Trying to figure out the how to hook the alternator to the yaw bearing for the bigger 13-foot machine. Trying to weld bands together to surround the magnet rotors. I like to put a steel band around it, usually stainless. I do have stainless material, but I wanted something wider, so all we could find is some bandsaw blade. So we'll be welding that together today and see how that works, to put it around the magnets so they don't fly out. They got all the coils wound for the big machine. We'll see how the big machine works, but I think it's going to work fine. And this is the coil winder. This morning on the whiteboard I'll talk a little about electricity and Ohm's law, stuff like that. I always keep the address on the top left corner in case somebody gets hurt. 911, everybody will know the address. And I always keep the wind power formula there to keep in mind. And on the top right, I always keep what we're chasing is cheap units of energy. Lots of contraptions can make energy, but the challenge is to make affordable wind power. Blade carving station is going well. The fronts of the blades are finished, and now they're into the backs of the blades for the big machine. And I expect these will be about done by lunchtime, and we'll get into the smaller blades for the 10-foot machine. At the end of the day yesterday, we got magnets put on the rotors. The big machine has 18-inch diameter rotors and 20 ferrite magnets. This is the first time I've built with ferrite magnets. These magnets are 2 inches square and 1 inch thick. And right now I'm trying to imagine, should the hub go on the inside or on the outside? I'm inclined to mount it on the inside. And the same little dilemma I'm trying to figure out for the little machine, which we're using brake rotors for magnet discs. And I think I'll try to mount the hub on the inside. It'll be more compact and it looks neater. This machine has N50 grade neodymium blocks that are 1 inch by 2 inch by 1/2 inch thick, 12 of them. So that's what's going on around here today. Batteries are kind of low, so I started the generator this morning to give us a bump. And now it's coffee time.